Hello everyone and welcome to another Your Kids Bits and Bob's Home Tech. Today we're doing a bit of an upgrade. We're taking some of my old fans out of my main PC, that baby over there, and replacing it with some new fans. And these are also RGB. So hopefully, if all goes well, it should be a breeze. A breeze, get it? Fans, breeze? So if you've never done this before, it's quite easy to do. The only thing you've got to bear in mind, if you've not already got RGB fans in there, you will need a controller. Luckily, this is the whole kit, so it comes with a controller anyway. So with that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start unboxing it and show you what you're going to get for your pennies. Rather than stand here and talk, because there's a lot of work to be done. Like I said, if you've never done this before, it should be quite easy to do. And just remember that changing your fans is really easy. That's the easy bit. Maybe changing it to RGB might be a little bit more challenging for you. It depends how skillful you are or confident you are at doing it. So this is from a company called Up Here, and I bought it on Amazon like I normally do. Doesn't show you anything, you know, what's in the box. It just shows you a black box and it just says Up Here. So I did look on Amazon and I did check out the reviews and they're pretty good. You know, you did get some negatives, but the majority were positives. Now I can't get it undone. Come on. Ah, there you go. So let's see what you get for your money. Hopefully 5 fans. These are 140s by the way, and they do them in 120s. That's the size in case you didn't know. They do them in 120s or 140s. So what do we have here? So this is the controller. I'll get them out. So this will go around the back of the PC. So you have the remote control. Put that to one side. You have some basic configuration instructions for using on the controller. So it comes in English and Chinese. And the controller, so it should take 10, sorry. It should take 10. So 10 fans. We've got 5 going in, and we'll probably be buying some more. I'd say the quality's okay. It's got a few bubbles on it on the sticky message, so they haven't laid that down very well. So that's not brilliant. Doesn't really show nothing to connect in there. You've got your one lead there. That's your power lead. So that's to give you power for this and to control your fans. You should be able to connect it to your motherboard as well. But we're just going to get her up and running. Right, let's have a look at the fans. Or get one of them out anyway. So it says up here, DC 12 volt, 0.23 amps, made in China. And it doesn't show which way round the fans have to go, but we're going to make sure she works first before we start stripping my main computer down. I don't want to strip it all down and find out it doesn't work. So we're going to test them first. We're going to plug them all in, make sure they all work. So yeah, so there's 5 fans. There's the other 4. So like I said, these are the 140s. What else you got in here? Oh, you got some other bits in here. Okay, let's get all the bits out, shall we? So these are double-sided pads. Looking at them, and they will be for probably sticking this on the back of your case or something. Not sure yet, but you know, we will look into that. You get screws, so you get a set of screws for all. So why have you got 5 pads? Oh no. Right, okay. These pads here, these are your vibration pads. So these need to be put on manually. So you have to put all these on here, on each corner, yeah? So you've got to do that yourself. They haven't done it for you. So that's a bit of a shame. And you haven't got no stickies for the back of this, which is also a shame. You got 1, 2, 3. So a little bit disappointed in that, but not to worry. I have plenty. So move the box out of the way. So what I'm going to do now is connect them all up. Oh, one thing else. One more thing. On the on the questions and answers, one of the things it says, you must plug in. So say for instance you've got 3 fans, you must plug them in slots 1, 2 and 3. Now I'm not sure how the hell you're supposed to find out which is 1, 2, 3 because they're not marked. There's something for up here to think about. You know, it would be nice if they actually marked it and said, you know, that's number 1. But well, I'm sure we'll sort it out. So we're definitely going to be testing it first, which we're going to set up right now. Okay, so I've set it all up just to test it, make sure it's all working. The airflow is going away from us. So where the brackets are is where the airflow is coming out, and yeah, the fans are working. And to turn it on, you just press the on button. That's the on button, get the RGB lighting. And you've got an auto button, which is what it's set on at the moment. Let's just reset it. And that would do, I think it says, on the instructions, it does say, where is it? Auto, it does, blah, 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 366 modes. That's what it says on there. So if you leave it on auto, we just go cycle through. And if you just want one colour, it will do one colour. It's not very red. The green looks nice. That shows a purple, and that looks like a blue to me. And that's a light blue. And there's even a lighter blue. So the colours are not strong, and I don't know if it just needs adjustment. So let's try the green again. Let's try the red. See what these do. Oh, they're just modes. Okay, that's modes. Let's get the red. And that's to speed up and slow down. That's supposed to be a yellow. That does look like a yellow. That's more of an orange, but it doesn't look like an orange. Oh, that's definitely a yellow, that one. Or lime green, actually. And white is white. So not over impressed with the colours. They're not really strong colours, which was what I thought they would be. So press M for modes. Different modes, you can go, that's different colours you're cycling through. Like I say, it says 366 modes. Let's go back the other way, doing the plus. It's like it's dancing. Well, I'm going to stop it now. We've had a bit of fun. We know it works. It's all working. Right, so that's it. So it's all done, it's running. I'm quite pleased with the effect. It's not a fantastic effect. The colours are brighter than I thought because when I first set them all up, I've done it in daylight and I thought, you know, they're a bit, but they're alright, they're pretty good. I love the remote control. I think it's excellent remote control. Don't even have to point it at it. Look, just turn it off, turn it on, and away she goes. So it works really well. There's a little bit of instructions I need to read up so that you can do different things with it. But if you want to just a one colour remote, if you just want one colour, you just press the colour you want, and she works. You don't even, like I say, you don't even have to point it at it. It works extremely well. So yeah, very pleased with the remote. I like the auto effect actually, so I'll leave it on auto. So is it worth the money? Yeah, for what I paid for it, I thought, you know, 5 fans, they're 140mm fans. It took me a while to fit them in, as you probably see in the video, because I had to take the old ones out to move my water pump about so I can get to the screws and that. And I've done the screws different. I bought long screws, put them in with, and I put little nuts on them rather than do it with the normal fan screws I use. I used long screws, which work perfectly, as you see in my video. So I'm very pleased with that. So it's easy. If I need to change the fans out on the top now, I won't have to mess about by taking out the water pump anymore. I can just undo the nut and just pull the screws down. So it made my life a lot easier. And I changed them ones out as well. I'm not going to put the grills back on because that will reduce the light of the effect even more. So I'm going to leave the grills off for now. I might have to put one back on because I don't want it eating my cables. I will put one back on. The one on the bottom, I will have to put the grill back on just to protect it from rubbing on the cables. Right, with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.